It is officially our day one of car camping, and we have successfully slept in the car. So it was pretty good with all this comfort mattress and pillows and stuff. It was pretty nice. And now heading to McDonald's. Alright, so you might be confused of what's happening. Why are you guys living in a car? Why are you doing car camping? It's because I really want to and the reason is because I really want to reach 200,000 subscribers. I really mean it. Even if I have to live the next 53 days in the car. So subscribe and help me fulfill this fucking dream, please. Else, this is what I'm gonna do. Stay to my promise, quit YouTube, go back to Japan and just live a normal life. I'm just a kid with a dream, and his dream will die if you do not subscribe. So enjoy the vlog and have fun. There's a McDonald's. We were hanging out in the McDonald's, and it's good that we were doing car camping, so we woke up so early. We ate big breakfast, 2 eggs, muffin, and hot cakes. And now I'm feeling some coffee. Coffee time! We just bought our McDonald's. Cha-chang! We got free fries. Free.
Free?
For free. $5 fries for free because I use the app.
Again, I'm taking a chicken chicken burger for 3 days.
Alright, Explorers. So my car, Abdul, he's helping me changing the oil because it's been 1 year since we changed the oil, and I don't want to seize my engine. So the boys are back in the game. Now we're gonna change our car's oil in 3, 2, 1. We're gonna do it. So now we have changed our oil. Let's go! I'm just kidding. We're still in the process. The oil is coming out. It's been 1 year that I bought this car, and everything has been so crazy. This car has served well, so comment down below. Good job, car.
Flowers and trees, every little bumblebee. I wanna sing. Ooh, ah, oh.
Today is night 2 of car camping. We already ate our food.
It was good.
It was really good. Let me show you the outside perspective of the car. That's pretty much our day. We're enjoying our life, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye! Those are the lights that I put in last time. That's pretty cool. Getting too bright. Guys, look at this. I'm gonna show you a surprise tool, magic tool. And if I press this button, look at this one. Can you guys feel the air? Can you feel it? Nice. Alright, good night. See you guys tomorrow morning. Gonna come back.
I'm gonna sleep here.
What? We are heading to a Bangladeshi restaurant. I know it's a Bangladeshi restaurant. I have been here several times. We are having a short break and we are gonna eat some delicious food. This is mac and cheese. This is biryani, and this is khanas. What is it?
Shrimp chahan.
So we ate some Bangladeshi food. It was really good. She got some chicken Manchurian while I got some biryani, and it started to rain. Alright guys, we're gonna play a game and whoever loses has to drive the car. And we're gonna flip the bottle. Kinda has to drive the car.
Northwest Park に来ました。ママちゃんが連れてきました。
We are going to Union Pound Lake. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you guys to Kana. Kana is taking over the vlog.
Hi. It's raining outside.
We are walking to the lake.
We are walking together. Holding hand.
Sorry, I forgot you guys. No, I did not. I'm just acting.
Give me one more reason why I should stay. 'Cause you got 2 minutes to explain. You better come up with something smart to say. 'Cause I'm already on my way. I heard them whisper behind my back.
We are finally at the lake. Look at that. The beautiful. Yeah, it's a pond. Why have we been saying lake, lake, lake when it's a pond? It's called a Union Pond. Link is in the description.
It's a big pond.
I'm not filming. I just turned off the camera.
You are lying. It's a joke.
Now you guys are going to fly.
Give me one more reason why I should stay. 'Cause you got 2 minutes to explain. You better come up with something smart to say. 'Cause I'm already on my way. I heard them whisper behind my back. I saw them glancing my way.
I literally almost lost my drone. It was like away from me for 8 minutes and I was like, damn, I lost it. But then, out of nowhere, it came back and my drone is sleeping right now in the back. This kit has survived a lot of places. What should we name it? Comment down below. It has been one of the most helpful road trip of my life ever. I've been brainstorming of what sort of videos I want to make, who I want to be in life, what do I really like and dislike, and what I want my future to hold for me. These are the questions that I'm asking myself. Anyways, I won't let my fears stop of what I want to do in life, so let's do some skateboarding. Learning skateboard with the camera. Because after all, this is my job. So I better get better at this. I'll put you guys down before I get down. 10:30 at night. I'm eating my dinner. Glad that I didn't lose my drone. 寝てるじゃん。
眩しすぎて目開かないわ。
Tonight is third night of car camping, and we have basically survived the last 72 hours. I had a lot of fun. Alright, good night. Bye. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dohaa, Dohaa, Dohaa the Explorer.